Geberit has been building shower toilets for 40 years, but most people don't know what that is exactly. Our mission? To show the world that Geberit AquaClean cleans the butt with water. But that's the thing about naked butts in advertising. They're censored. So how can we show a butt that's being cleaned with water without showing a butt? We put our heads together, and then we put our hands together. Because we always wash our hands after using the toilet, right? Geberit presents Handbutts. Because the AquaClean is like washing your hands for your butt. So we flooded 12 markets with flashing clean handbutts on all channels. People loved it. We turned this love into user-generated content by challenging people to create their own handbutts with a how-to video. And these also inspired the net right from the start. The handbutts started to dance. People even found out that their handbutts have famous twins. Only the Facebook algorithm found some of our handbutts too sexy. But hey, no problem. For the very strict censors, we added a small detail that makes it unmistakably clear that we do not show butts. That worked. The press celebrated the handbutts. Within a few weeks, the campaign has reached and inspired millions of people. But the hard KPIs also stand out. And the best thing is, now everyone knows exactly that a shower toilet cleans the butt with water. Mission accomplished.